Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. If you are a customer of Kraken in New York, you probably want to make some arrangements, so it begins. From Chad Steingraber here, Kraken services are shutting down on June the 1st, so Kraken will be shutting down trading services in New York on June the 1st, guys. This is just the beginning of what is coming down the pike. I mean, Choke Point version 2.0 is what the US government has been, trying to implement for crypto traders. In the future, crypto exchanges as we know them will not exist. This was a post from Chad from back on May the 1st. The ones that do survive will be the neobanks of tomorrow, like Coinbase and Uphold. Traditional finance will absorb these institutions and become them. Don't be surprised if BlackRock buys Coinbase one day. They're already partners, so I mean, it would, I guess, be the next logical step. Banks that do not toe the line will be put down, as we will see regional banks go under and the industry consolidate into a powerful few. So this is, I think this is part of their plan to really try to minimize the amount of exchanges there are where we can trade our cryptocurrencies freely. There are so many exchanges around the world that it's very difficult for governments to get a handle on every single cryptocurrency exchange that does business in every single country. And considering, it's gotten out of, quote unquote, gotten out of hand, according to them, it's going to be an interesting journey forward. Well, Chad is saying, so it begins. Crypto custody or self-storage is definitely going to be something else that I think will gain popularity. Those self-custody storage wallets are going to be pretty nice soon. This coming from the Cool Twin here on Twitter. And if you guys are looking for a self-custody solution, I do have an affiliate link in all the videos that I do for the Ledger Nano. You can use my affiliate link if you want. You don't have to use it. I have it there for ease of use because, quite frankly, I want to keep my cryptocurrency safe. And I just do not trust what's going on with exchanges right now. The only cryptocurrency I do have on the exchange is on BITRUE for the Patreon subscribers, just to be able to demonstrate my trades, the current altcoins that I'm actively trading in this market. $15,000 that I've invested can be found over there at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. And it's about 18, I think about 18 different coins. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm trading this bull run, the market is still, depressed. So a lot of those cryptocurrencies, I gotta say, they pumped a little bit, have now retraced. And, this is kind of a critical point in the market where post-halving, Bitcoin is now seeing that downward channel. We only have a little bit of time left before this thing starts pumping again to the upside. So wanted to thank Chad just for pointing that out, and Harry XRP as well. Bank XRP here bringing this up. Recent Ripple partner Hashkey Cloud and Aptos Foundation forged strategic partnership to facilitate infrastructure and applications on Aptos. So we recently heard about this Hashkey partnership, and now they are partnering up with Aptos. Okay, this partnership is focused on technical advancements and unites the expertise of the highly reputable organizations with notable institutional backgrounds and innovative collaborations, including offerings such as DID, decentralized identifiers, and regulated STOs, security token offerings. This collaboration begins with native integration of Hashkey DID, a multi-chain decentralized data aggregator powered by smart contracts, NFTs, and privacy protection decentralized protocols. It aims to provide identity services to Web3 users as a crucial Web3 infrastructure in the Hashkey ecosystem. The primary objective of Hashkey DID is to establish a community-governed Hashkey DID DAO in collaboration with their users. So now we're seeing a collaboration here. I guess, these two companies can really benefit from leveraging each other's technology. Down here it says the partnership between Hashkey Cloud and Aptos Foundation lays the foundation for a more inclusive, secure, and interconnected digital future. So I'm looking forward to seeing more developments there. Wanted to thank Bank XRP for pointing that out. Some other Ripple partner news, guys, from around the world. Lithuania's Transfergo has also now just received another $10 million investment to power their Asia-Pacific expansion. So they were established in Eastern Europe, and they have quite a foothold over there in Europe. Down here it says this funding will accelerate their growth in the Asia-Pacific region now and support the expansion of their new product offerings following a 50% year-over-year growth and achieving profitability last year. So because they've been so successful, I guess, the investors have said, okay, here's some more money, go expand out even further. They plan to invest in broadening their product development and bringing more value to their customers worldwide. It comes on the back of delivering 50% year-on-year growth, as we just mentioned, since our last Transfergo investment round in September 2021. Our company has also doubled in valuation. I'm guessing this is a quote, even though there are no quotation marks around this. In contrast to recent market trends last year, we've also expanded our team by over 30% and strengthened our leadership with global talent. Speaking about the Transfergo investment news, here is the CEO and co-founder, a quote from him: "Our mission is to create a fairer world for global citizens. The recent investment opens a new chapter for our company, enabling us to accelerate growth in Asia Pacific by providing people with more opportunities for fairer financial services. Additionally, we'll continue investing in broadening our product development and bringing more value to our customers worldwide. The doubling of our company's valuation, considering the problematic capital market conditions, validates our robust business model and positions us among the fastest growing customer finance service brands worldwide." So boom, another example here of where, now we're seeing a Ripple-enabled company really dominate their regional market and now looking to increase their valuation, proving it with profit levels exceeding their targets and, getting these new investments to be able to expand in, in this case, for example, the Asia Pacific region for Transfergo. So great news for everything, really. The flywheel effect will continue to grow. XRP utility will continue to grow as we continue to see these Ripple partners expand. So thought that was some great news coming out of Lithuania. Guys, this one from Ripple partner Temos too. They've extended their partnership with Citi Securities Services to consolidate global fund services on multi-funds SaaS. So this expansion is for global operating models on Temenos' multi-funds delivered as SaaS. Citi Securities Services, on the one hand, provides end-to-end services for asset managers globally using multi-funds as part of its existing investment account platform. The move to a global operating model for its global fund service business and from on-premise system to multi-funds SaaS enables Citi Securities Services to manage its business across multiple geographies and asset classes efficiently on a single platform, which includes delivering funds accounting services earlier in the day across all time zones. So sounds like this is a bigger move, a bigger project, really. And so between Temenos and Citi Securities, it sounds like they are looking to tokenize. It sounds like a tokenization project, even though they're not mentioning it here in this press release. So the move to SaaS for our global fund service business enables Citi Security Services to deliver global consistency in our client delivery as we continue to drive our data strategy forward and move to the cloud for core products and processes. When I hear things like deliver global consistency, client delivery, right? What I'm reading here, how I read into this, is that the old system obviously was not sufficient enough to do this. So what do they have to do? They have to move on to a new tokenized DLT platform, something like that. We know Temenos has a partnership with Ripple, so it only makes sense that they would move towards DLT. And, through this Temenos integration, we will see companies like Citi Security Services be able to benefit their clients with a DLT type integration. So, the tokenization of everything is happening slowly but surely. And these guys have been partners for a while anyway. It says here, we've been partnering with Citi Securities for over 20 years. This program is a natural part of the evolution to moving into SaaS, where our clients can achieve greater efficiencies and economies of scale to deliver better, faster data security and services for their clients. So that's the other thing too, right? When Temenos first started signing these clients, it was years ago, so way before cryptocurrency was even on the scene. But now that they've built these relationships, and now that a company like Temenos is Ripple enabled and has been since 2016, if my memory serves me correctly, and now that it's been a few years where Temenos can kind of give them a proof of concept, these bigger companies like Citi Security Services, they are going to be more agreeable, I think, to get into DLT technology and integrate onto something like the Ripple platform through a company that they already trust, like Temenos. So thought this was some great news too, coming from the Temenos camp. Wanted to keep moving along, guys, because Ripple partner Trpay is partnering with another company. This time, it's Multipass. They've joined forces with Multipass, a bank challenger in the financial technological sector, to redefine cross-border payment solutions for corporate customers. This strategic collaboration aims to offer unparalleled reliability, efficiency, and cost optimization to businesses operating in the UK, Europe, and beyond. So here we're seeing Trpay partnering up with Multipass to really streamline more business in the UK and Europe specifically, and beyond. That's very vague, but I'm assuming probably worldwide eventually. Through the partnership, Multipass gains access to Trpay's extensive global payments network, expanding its reach into new jurisdictions and local payout in multiple currencies, ensuring efficient cross-border payment solutions to clients. Both organizations offer 24/7 customer support and dedicated personal account management managers, emphasizing the importance of human interaction alongside technological advancements. So making it very clear that they are not relying on blockchain technology alone. No, they do not trust it entirely quite yet. So there still does have to be that human intervention in case something occurs. But, it is a step in the right direction. Multi-currencies, ensuring efficient cross-border payment solutions, right? These are all better solutions than what they had in the past, where it was maybe just a handful of currencies. You can trade in 6 or 12 or something. Now it's probably 30, 40, 50 different currencies. I mean, the sky's the limit when you're leveraging XRP for liquidity and cross-border payments. Well, that is the name of the game. So it looks as though just down here, Multipass is in the UAE, so the United Arab Emirates. Our partnership with Trpay represents a significant step forward in our commitment to deliver secure and faster payment solutions to medium-sized entrepreneurs trading internationally. So UAE, a big financial hub over there in the Middle East, all while prioritizing security and efficiency in speed and costs. As we continue to work on our expansion plans in the UAE, this trusted partnership gives a new level of importance, offering our clients practically a global payment reach. So very interesting news there coming out of Trpay expanding their partnerships as well. And speaking of the Middle East, guys, wanted to bring this up. From the wrath of Kahneman, Ripple partner Neem and Emirates NBD have now connected to enhance cross-border payments from the UAE to the rest of the world. So the UAE really, knocking it out of the park when it comes to partnerships that are Ripple-enabled specifically. I believe Ripple does also have an office out there. So Neem, the global leader in real-time cross-border payments, today announced a partnership with Emirates NBD, a leading bank in the MENAT, Middle East, North Africa, and Turkish region, to empower customers with cutting-edge global payment solutions that will redefine the financial services landscape in the Middle East and beyond. So Neem also, looking for a market where the regulation is clear, obviously, so that they can continue building out. The partnership, subject to regulatory approval, seeks to elevate the remittance experience with seamless, instantaneous cross-border transfers between the UAE and countries worldwide. Remittances from the UAE have been driven by a growing expatriate population and cross-border trade. By leveraging Neem's payout services, Emirates NBD offers customers real-time, cost-effective payment solutions with speed and unparalleled reliability. So just more of the same, guys. More expansion from these Ripple partners into different regions of the world, expanding that flywheel so the flywheel effect keeps building, growing. And so what we eventually do see is worldwide RippleNet adoption through many different countries. Even if it's not 100% of all the remittances happening in these countries, it's going to be such a large portion that a meaningful utility for XRP will be certainly be noticed at a point, once we do see, all the other regulations kind of fall in line. If you guys didn't catch this morning's video, it was pretty much on the SEC and what's happening in the US, a new timeline for a Ripple resolution. Guys, you can check that out up here. I'll put it up here in the top right-hand corner. The good news is that these companies, these banks, these institutions, they're already ready. A lot of them around the world have already, plans in place. They're kind of all ready to go. Some of them are already utilizing XRP at this moment. They're not using it at scale, not the kind of scale that we need for a meaningful XRP price pump. But guys, it is happening, and it's happening fast. I wanted to bring this up too from MrMan. Now, remember this, okay? Think of all the XRP we hold first, okay? Think of the XRP in existence, the XRP we hold, the XRP that's locked up in escrow. But let's not forget the XRP that all the financial institutions hold that Ripple has partnered with. Because that XRP, it's going to be earmarked for utilization. But in the meantime, these companies are holding back. So these companies are holding that XRP in the meantime, not relinquishing it, and just kind of sitting on it. So this is why I wanted to bring this to you. For security reasons, every participant in RippleNet must hold a small amount of XRP. Guys, this was a statement from Ripple, okay? One of their insights blogs. That is 300 plus financial institutions holding a sum of XRP, waiting for clarity as well. And again, from the report, RippleNet, a new global payment system. So some examples of these banks: Royal Bank of Canada, Santander, UBS. A lot of these companies have not rolled out meaningful cross-border real-time payments leveraging RippleNet, not quite yet. But down here, guys, check this out. For security purposes, every user of RippleNet must hold a small amount of XRP. So if they're all holding XRP. Again, this is from an Insights blog, Ripple Net Growth, announcing more than 300 customers, and it has grown since then. Once we do see the meaningful regulations finally solidify and it's stamped, boom, stamp of approval, then we will see a lot of this value unleashed. Think about it, 300 plus financial institutions, that has grown probably even higher today. And if these companies have to own XRP, they must hold XRP on their books. You got to think, right? Think about it for a second here. Let me just click on XRP here. And as you guys can see, total supply about 100 billion XRP. The circulating supply is listed here at about 55.2 billion. But how much of that is really locked up? And with the demand getting even higher, it'll be like a pressure cooker. XRP price will explode if this demand exceeds total supply held. So this is why, taking a look at the rich list, understanding where we are, where we hold XRP, our wallet ranking, this is all very valuable information to me as an XRP hodler. It is going to give me some insight on how much XRP too I'm going to sell in this bull run and how much I'm going to keep for the long term, guys. You can follow all that at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, along with the $15,000 plus portfolio that I'm actively trading of 18 different cryptocurrencies that you may have not heard of. But guys, that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.